Howdy, I'm Natalie, and I am currently enrolled at the automotive technician program at Pierce College. I am excited for the ZEP program in this industry that's moving so quickly and in such demand. A 1 year course would be great for my schedule. I want to feel pride in what I'm doing, and this is that step that I need to complete that life goal. My mom and my aunts all came here from Mexico with very little in their pocket, and their resilience inspired me to end up here. And I'm very thankful for the opportunity to be able to take on this, male-oriented industry. I think that it's a very cool new beginning. When I started working here, I had no knowledge, so I'm very thankful for the program and the teachers who have helped me along the way. Preparing myself for work, I think that the ZEF program is perfect for me. It only takes a year, and I am prepared for in-demand jobs that are provided by top manufacturers like Ford and Tesla. I think that this industry has been known to be very, hands-on, very dirty, but a lot of it is going to be a lot more brain power, a lot more tablets that we're going to be seeing. And I think that the STEM industry is starting to see a lot more women. So maybe we can bridge that gap of having, more engineers in the industry, people who know how to run the numbers, and open up the pathways for women. I know that by 2035, all vehicles sold in California have to be a completely electrical vehicle, and my 10-year plan, that includes ending up at the city level working on their fleet vehicles, and that's what ZEP program is going to prepare me to do. Just 1 year and I'm prepared for the industry. Fast charge your future.